Alrighty guys, we are at level 4. We are going to do a syncopated Cuban break double. We're gonna have a ronde chasse, a hip twist chasse, and a compact chasse. Get ready. Here we go. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Cross, side, cross, side. Get ready. After this, we're gonna go into our ronde chasse. 2, 3, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, side, 2, 3, 4, side, ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, side, ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, ronde, hip twist, compact, double, ronde, hip twist, compact. Keep this up. Compact. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and double. Very good. Keep it up. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Keep going. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Ooh. Compact. Keep it going. Ooh. Compact. Come on, guys. You can do it. Finish it out. Whew. Very good. On this side. All right, we are at level 4. Here we go. Basic, underarm turn, syncopated toe heel crosses, and continuous crosses. Get ready. We're gonna get a basic in here. 5, 6, 5, 6, basic, go. Very good. We do a basic, turn. Do it again. Basic, turn. Again. Basic, turn. Basic, turn. Back to that basic. Get ready. We have a syncopated toe heel taps. And toe heel together, toe heel together, toe heel together, toe heel. And 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Basic. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Another one. Basic. quick, quick, slow, quick. Very good, back to that basic. We're gonna do those continuous crosses. We step to the side, first we go like this. Side, cross, 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 tap, side, cross, 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 tap, side, cross, 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 tap, side, cross. Do it again. Side, cross, 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 tap, side, cross, 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 tap, side, cross, 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 tap, side. Very good, back to that basic. Alrighty guys. Very good. Get ready. Full basic underarm turn. Basic. Turn. Again. Basic. Turn. Full basic. Toe heel taps. Get ready. Here we go. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Do it again. And side. Here we go. Cross, 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 taps. Alrighty, guys. We are at level 4. We have fast karaoke runs, we have slow karaoke runs, we have whisk with a ronde, and we have a grapevine. Get ready. Let's start with a bounce. 5, 6, 7. We have quick, 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 quick. And back to that bounce. We're gonna go now slow. Ready? Here we go. Slow, slow, a 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 slow. Keep up. A slow, a slow, a slow, slow. Back to that bounce. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna do a whisk with the ronde. We're gonna bring that left foot to the side. Get ready, here we go. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Keep it up.
Él me decía que esa falda era muy fea, porque sus celos nunca dejaron que fuera bella.
Back to that bounce.
Me controlaba todas las noches.
Very good. Get ready. We're gonna do grapevine. Right foot crosses in front. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Back to that bounce. Go. Bounce. Very good, guys. We're gonna put this together. Here we go. Fast karaoke runs. Ready? And quick, 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 quick. Here we go. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. 1, 2, 4, and bounce. Very good. Get ready. 5, 6, fast. Here we go. Quick, quick, quick. 5, 6, slow, 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 slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And bounce. 5, 6, here we go. Quick, 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 quick. Keep it up. And slow. Slow, 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 slow. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, guys, level 4. We're gonna do that mooch with the triple step this time. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. Rock, step, kick, kick. Rock, step, triple step. Rock, step, kick, kick. Rock, step, triple step. Kick. Very good, guys. Rock, step, triple step. Rock, step, kick, kick. Rock, step, watch me. I go kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Walk it out. Walk, 2, 4, 5, 6. Other foot. Kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Jump it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Get ready. Left foot, go. And jump. Very good. Watch me. We go toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. And very good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Toe, heel, slow. Toe, heel, slow. Quick, 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 stop. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Quick, 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 stop. Very good. Get ready. We're going from the mooch. Rock, step, kick, kick. Rock, step, triple step, kick. Very good. And kick, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Other side, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. And right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Left foot, get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Get ready. Toe, heel, cross, let's go. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. And stop. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Heel, cross, stop. Very good, guys. Okay, guys. Level 4. We are going to do sliding doors as a follower and as a leader. We're going to have first sliding doors without a delayed walk and the second one with a delayed walk. Get ready. Prepare that right foot to dance. We're going to be stepping back. Get ready. And go. Back. Now just step on it. Side. Then we're going to go back. Now delay this one. And then half of it, collect your feet together, and leaders. Step on it. Now we're gonna delay it. Delayed. Half of it, and switch. Step on it. Now with the delayed. Half of it, collect, leaders part. Keep going. And leaders part. No. And again with boom. Very good. Get ready. No delay. And with the delay. No delay. We just walk. With the delay. And change. Oop, I did a delay that time. I'll do another delay again. There we go. And no delay. And with the delay. Okay, my chance to revive myself. No delay. And with the delay. no delay, and with the delay. Switch. And done. Very good.